Yes, continue. Let's continue, students. Before the names of, sorry, that is before adjectives without nouns. Okay, we use the article the before adjectives without noun to describe a group of people. Means before the adjectives, we have to use the article the without nouns. Now the next one, when we speak of the earth, the moon, the sun, around the planets in our solar system, we use the article the. When we speak of the earth, the moon, the sun and the planets in our solar system, we have to use the article the. And one more very important thing which you have to remember, that we say the universe but we never say the space. Okay, the space we never say. Next one, for the titles, the prime minister is arriving here tomorrow, the president will visit Japan next year. So for the titles also we use the article the. Before names of mountains, ranges, rivers, deserts, seas and the group of islands, okay, we use the article the. These things actually you have to learn. Before the names of the mountain, before the names of the mountain ranges, rivers, deserts, seas, groups of island. Before the names of the great before the names of famous building, before the names of the famous building we use the article the. Before the names of great books of the religion or literature, okay, before the names of the holy books, religious books, we use the article the. Before the names of the families, okay, before the names of the families, for example the Guptas, the Nehrus, the Joshis, like this we use the article the. Before the names of countries that include words like the Union, Republic, Kingdom and States, we use the article the. So before the names of the name of the countries, before the names of the families, before the names of book of the religious one or the religious books, before the names of the famous buildings, mountain ranges, rivers, deserts, we use the article the. Okay, before the name of country that include the words like Union, Republic, like this. And the last one, before the names, so before the plural names of the countries, before the plural name of the countries means what? That is the Philippines, the Netherlands, the British Isles, the Maldives, like this. We have to use the article the. So this was all about the use of the articles. What you have to do today, your work is you have to go through the video and again you have to read it from the book. If you find any difficulty, you can ask. And one more very important thing about the use of the, that the is also used before the superlative degree. That is like the tallest, the best Chinese restaurant, the most graceful or the biggest, the strongest, like this. So before the superlative degree we also use that the article the. So thank you and have a good day.